to another video. Now finally, the curve sketching tutorial is available. That's for further math students. And this video here, I'm not going to do the tutorial. I'm just going to explain to you what the tutorial is going to be composed of and many other things. Right, so the tutorial is going to be divided into 3 different videos. Part 1 is going to be solving the 2021 paper 2 question 9. Part 2, we are going to be solving the Northwest Regional Mock 2022 paper 2 question 4. And part 3 is going to be solving the 2020 paper 2 question 9. All of these questions are on curve sketching, but the detailed notes are already available. So I have compiled the notes already for both the maths and further maths. So the notes, you have explanations of each step on how to sketch a curve, and then at the end you have like 4 exercises from past mock examinations detailedly solved. So while waiting on the videos to be uploaded, you can be passing via the notes to get better guidance. Now for those who want to get the notes, you can get to me through my email address, as you can see displayed to your screen, or you can get to me through WhatsApp via that number 675480065. So when you just get to me, you try to present yourself and you tell me exactly what you need, because many people get to me so that I should know that okay, I am sending you this document. So many other documents are available, so when you just get to me, just specify what you need. Alright, so see you guys in part 1, where we are going to look at the solution to 2021 paper 2. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Invite your friends to subscribe as well. You can navigate through the channel. You're going to see some interesting things that might help you. You can go through them. Whenever you watch a video, we are pleading, please you comment so that we should know if we are improving on our explanation, where we should lay emphasis. If we are very fast, you comment that we are very fast, we should slow down, so that you're going, because our objective is that you should understand and you have good grades in your GCE. So see you guys in part 1. Thank you.